Are you treating hormonal acne? Yeah, come. If you are treating hormonal acne, you need to stop eating some certain food. I'm going to break it down for you, all the food you need to avoid and the reason why you need to avoid them. I know it's not easy, but when I give you all the reason why you need to avoid them, at least pending the time that you are treating this hormonal acne, pending the time that you want it to go away, because if you don't stop eating all this food, your acne will not go away and you are putting on a lot of effort and it will not show. Number one, you need to avoid sugar and high glycemic foods like chocolates, like white bread, like pastries, like cake, like all this type of food that has a lot of sugar. The reason is because it can worsen your acne because it's going to trigger your blood sugar and it's going to increase your insulin. By the time you increase your insulin, it's going to clog your pores and from there you will have breakouts. So have you seen the reason why you need to avoid sugar? You need to avoid all these carbonated drinks for now. All these drinks that have sugar, you need to avoid them. Number two, dairy products. I know you like ice cream. But you can avoid it for some time, especially milk. Avoid milk. The reason is because when you take excess of all these things, or you are even taking them, all these dairy products, you are taking milk, you are taking ice cream, milk is going to increase the growth of hormone. And you know it's going to affect the breakouts. Of course, we already have breakouts and it's going to, it's going to help it at the same time. So you need to avoid dairy products. Number three, you need to avoid fried and oily foods. This one, foods like all these food that are fried, chips and all of that has use oil to fry them. This one is going to help the inflammation. And this is part of what causes breakouts as well. So avoid all these fried and oily foods. Number four, there's some food that are processed food and they are junks. So avoid all this type of food, okay, like fries as well, like burger and all of those things. Just avoid them for the time being that you are treating this acne. These are the type of thing that is going to affect your hormone and gut health. And this one is going to help with the inflammation. All of this is attached to acne. Like I said, avoid excess chocolate. You can just take a little, but avoid excesses. I know that you like it, but for the time being, at least you want to look good, you want your face to come out nice, you want to be, at least it's just a discipline for some time. And go girl, by the time you do all of these things for some time, you know how everything is going to come out. But I know it's not easy to cut down chocolates, but just reduce the excess of it, okay? Reduce the excess of it so that at least you enjoy your money, you enjoy the time and the effort you are putting in all these things. In the morning, you are using something different. Afternoon, you are using something different. In the night, you are following all the skincare routine and you are spending money. Let your money show. Just for the meantime, and by the time you start all of these things, you'll be used to it and you're living a healthy life. So what should you cut down instead? Just reduce your sugar, reduce your dairy products, and watch how your skin changes. Watch how your skin goes. Then you will see the difference. If you find this video helpful, kindly follow up for more skincare tips. You can also share with someone who might need it. I will meet you in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.